Hi, my name is Peter. I'm from Carlsberg Estate here in the Mijas area. Today we are visiting this 3-bed penthouse. It's located here in the Higueron West. Higueron West is a very big new build area that contains a big hotel that have a lot of possibilities to use as an owner of a property here. You can go to the gym, you can go to the spa, there's a lot of paddle tennis courts, you can use it all, and it's very, very well located all around, so you can walk to everything from here. Even the beach you can walk to. There's also a train that takes you up from the beach and back again. Let's have a look. Here inside we have the open kitchen, the living room, and the dining. The apartment also consists underfloor heating in the whole apartment. It has air conditioning, hot and cold, so you can cool it down during the very hot summer days. Open plan kitchen, all in white. It's Korean plates, very good. It has all the appliances you need. There's a freezer, American fridge with a freezer and cooler. And here in the back you have a big storage room as well. When you're inside, sitting here in the sofa, you have direct sea views from here. So you can even sit here in the evening, see the lights over Fuengirola, see the Mediterranean, and all the way to Gibraltar. It's so cozy, so nice. And then you can turn on the TV, you can watch Netflix. Also here in the Costa del Sol, we have very good optical fiber. That means that if you want to live abroad, you want to live here, you can actually work from here very easily and use the internet. Let's have a closer look at the 3 bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom and a guest toilet. We have the master, who contains a big walk-in closet and a big bathroom. The shower here is so big that you can easily go in 2 people and have a nice shower. And when you wake up in the morning, you can go straight out to the terrace and into the swimming pool. You can also stay in the sunbeds and enjoy a glass of champagne. Thanks for watching our video and following us here in this very nice 3-bed apartment in the Higueron West. If you have any questions or want to see this apartment, you can contact us on the following. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I hope to see you soon.